all present over here. So today we are here with a new video of MS Word. Here in this video we will learn about the mail merge, that if we want to send a single mail message letter to more than one people, in that case we will use a special tool of MS Word that is called the mail merge. So here in this video we will learn that how that mail merge can work, how it can take in a practical manner. So for further detailed knowledge about that, we will move to our Windows screen. So this one is our new page. Here we want to learn how to create the mail merge. So before going to start, we first discuss, suppose there are 50 students in a class and the teacher wants to invite their parents for a function. So will the teacher have to type the 50 different letters? Surely not. She will be using the mail merge feature of MS Word. So mail merge is the feature of word processor application software that enables the user to develop personalized letters, greeting cards and other communication with their name and address. Means mail merge is a type of merge, or it is a kind of feature that allows the user to write a letter and send it to the multiple users at once by adding their names and address. So firstly we have to click on the mailing tab, and in the mailing tab click on the start mail merge command, and we will click on the step-by-step mail merge wizard. Here we have to select the type of document, we have to select the type of our document, that is letter, and we will click on the starting document. Here in the second step we just follow the select, use the current document, start from a template and start from the existing document. Suppose if we want to start with a template, then we will click on the template, and here from here we can select our template. These are the pre-designed letters or predefined formats, but I don't want to take any template, I have to use the current document here. Then we will click on the next, select recipient. Here it shows the message select recipient. From here three options are on the screen: use an existing list, select from Outlook contacts, type a new list. Here I don't have any existing list, so I can type a new list from here, and we will create. Here we can see a new address list box. So it contains the number of fields like title, name, first name, last name, country name, address line, but we don't want all these things, so we can customize this column. We just want only three things: name, city and address. So I can delete it just clicking on it and put on the delete option. As like the same, we can do all the things, remove and add the things which whatever we want. We can also remove our email address. It will take few minutes to customize it. Delete it, yes. Address line, delete it, yes. Delete it, or you can rename it according to your need. If you don't want to delete it, just click on it and rename. Here I can type the name, okay, and this one is the city and this one is the state, or I can type the address also here and click on the OK. So suppose if I have to fill the entry in it, my name is Anshu, as like I can mention my city Haldwani and state address is okay. And if we want to add the new entry, then we can click on the new entry option. Here we can write the name Pavan, Delhi, and the address is Noida. Okay, if we want to write the another, then we will just click on the new entry tab, and here we can write the third one. Suppose the name is Pooja and she lives in the Mumbai, and here we can type the address, that is Yoloing Colony. Okay, and I can click on the OK option. here it shows me a dialog box to save the address list. I can save my address list with the name of address, ADDRESS, and I can click on the save button here. Then it shows me a dialog box, mail merge recipient. As you have seen here, I can edit the 3 entries, Anshu, Pavan and Pooja. So from here I can select the data source, and if I want to edit this, then I can edit it from here and click on the OK. Here we can see the 2 different options, select a different list and edit the recipient list. If I want to edit the list, we can click on here and then a list appears again. And if we want to select a different list, then we can click on the select a different list. Okay, but I can use the existing list. So now just click on the next, then you can write your letter. I also have here I want to write my letter, so I can start with the 2. Wait a second, I just increase the size of the font that you have to see it properly. 2, and if I here 4 options will appear: address block, greeting line, electronic postage or more item. If I want to add something, so I have to add from here name. Firstly I want to add the name, insert, and in the second I want to insert the city of my friend, then insert, and the third one is address. Okay, then close. You can arrange it according to your need. I just want all 3 things in the separate line, then I can just click on the enter, and here I have to write my letter. So I have written my letter here. Now I can see the preview of my letter, and you can see just clicking on this arrow we can see the another one, Pavan. It shows the address. It shows the address of the Pavan, and the third one is the Pooja. Okay. If we want to edit the recipient list, then we can edit from here too. Okay. Then we can complete the merge or write your letter. We can also see the preview of our letter. Then you can. Students, that's all about the mail merge. So if you have any doubt, any query related to the mail merge practical, then you can message me, you can drop a message on the YouTube, and you can WhatsApp me. And one more thing you have to keep in your mind, you have to complete your work in your notebook and do the practical of that mail merge. Thank you. Have a nice day.